Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day 7. You guys bored yet? I feel like I'm bored. So I am at mom's in the office currently, about to do stickers for most of the day, but then I cut vinyl all night last night. It ended up taking way longer than I thought. I cut vinyl until about 12:30 last night. So when I leave here, I'm going to be doing shirts. Hi, Chewy. But for right now, I need to get the Tea Tuesday stuff up. I am gonna go ahead and do those screens that I had. I don't really like doing things limited like that because I only have so many, but that's how I'm gonna go ahead and do them, just because some of them are winter and I feel like they need to go ahead and go up. So let's do the sock advent really quick. Okay, day 7. Oh. Oh, those are so cute. Oh, so they say Galaxy's greetings. Super cute. That just reminded me. I need to pull out all of my like Christmas shirts. I've got a ton of, they're like a soft fleece, so they're nice to work in. They're not really to go out anywhere in, but they're nice to work in. And I've got a bunch of them. I'm trying to remember where I got them. I've had them for a couple of years, but they're almost like a pajama fleece material, which is really, really nice. Plus, it's so cold in mom's house all the time, especially when they're not here. So I need to do that when I get home. But like I said, I'm about to do stickers all day. It's pretty early right now, so I've got a while. I'm gonna do that, and then I don't know if I'm gonna try to get any footage of that because it's just gonna be me cutting. I've been printing. I've got big stacks of printed stickers all over the place. So I'm gonna start cutting today, keep printing, and then, yeah, I guess I'm gonna do Tea Tuesday first though. So I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, it is now about 6:45. My hair is wet, so I just got out of the shower. I got back home, ran with Aspen, took Ozzy. I've been taking them separate if I go with her. Just grabbed some pizza for dinner because Colby has school tonight, so he won't be home until later. And I am preheating the press right now to do shirts. I really don't want to. I am so tired, but it has to be done. So I got the Tea Tuesday stuff up if you're interested in that. We've got $15 t-shirts. I think long sleeves are marked to $18.99. Hoodies are marked to $34.99. And sweatshirts are marked to $33.99. And those are the screen prints I showed yesterday that I ended up doing. Stock is limited though, and I don't know when this is gonna be up, so hopefully there will still be some available. But yeah, I'm gonna go get these shirts done, and I hope I can, I've got all the vinyl cut, so I don't think it should take me too long. I'm gonna finish them, and then I really just wanna sit down on the couch and just do nothing, but we will see. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit of footage. I'm gonna do it a different way so that it's not just me pressing them. I'm gonna show you guys a different way. So, be back. Okay guys, so, hello Aspen. I am done for the night. The hoodies, I need to look up really quickly and make sure that I'm doing placement correctly on those. I think that I am. I mean, I can't really think of another way to do it, but I just want to double check because they're gonna have to come up a little bit higher as far as the design goes. Also, I'm about to do a inventory check really quick. I know I've got a couple of packages that aren't here yet, but I need to make sure that what I'm missing is in those. And I only showed you guys a few things because I did a ton of the same designs tonight. That Rose Apothecary one, the winter is my favorite activity. Any of the newer ones, a bunch of them were those. And I didn't want to just show the same thing over and over again, but I'm done, I'm exhausted. I'm going to probably have a glass of wine and go to bed. So I'm gonna upload this really quickly, but I will talk to you guys tomorrow.